Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Stock News. It's Monday, December the 16th, 2013. I've done my morning homework. I've gone through a bunch of press releases and I've found the best ones that stand out to me. Give you my insights into what it was that stood out in their press release, and also take a look at their stock chart. The ultimate goal is to help you find some good companies to do your homework on and find some investment winners in there. I'm Alan Barry-Laboucan. I'm the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. And on today's show, we're trying to keep these to about a 10-minute time frame, and I've got 7 companies to talk about, so we'll get right to it. The first company I wanted to talk about today is Prophecy Platinum. Prophecy Platinum had some work. They've done got some additional results from their 100% owned Wellgreen Platinum Group Metals nickel copper project located in the Yukon Territory of Canada. They've extended the zone, and this is in an area where they had hit in hole 215 756 meters of continuous mineralization grading 1.92 grams per ton gold or platinum equivalent, or 0.46% nickel equivalent, including a 65-meter subinterval integrating 4.19 grams per ton platinum equivalent. So some good numbers in there, good interesting news on the extension of the zone. Their stock is up 3 cents today so far on 58,000 shares traded. Just looking at the stock chart, they were basically going sideways from June until October. Recently they kind of took a bit of a dip there, which took it down to 44 cents-ish, right around there. And then they've been improving lately. They're now trading above their long-term moving average. This is an interesting one. The stock symbol is NKL, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. Next company is Kennady Diamonds. They announced their results from their 2013 Summer Diamond Recovery results from their Kelvin kimberlite. This is on their 100% owned, 100% controlled Kennady North Diamond Project located in the Northwest Territories. They took approximately 3.5 tons of kimberlite, were recovered from 21 drill holes on their northwest lobe of the Kelvin kimberlite, and it came out with a very handsome sample grade of 4.56 carats per ton. Very good numbers in there, very good distribution of diamonds up into the smaller or up into the larger stone sizes. Very encouraging stuff there. I'm quite impressed with those results. Even though the stock didn't react very favorably, it's down 84 cents today. Not sure what the market was looking for on that. That's a pretty spectacular type of results. I'm quite surprised by the move today. The stock has been a very strong performer since early August. It went from around $1.60 all the way up to $8.74. Has given back some of those gains. That's pretty reasonable to see. Maybe the news what was negative about the market's reaction could be that they won't be doing any more drilling until the spring or into the winter time, but they've definitely on to something quite spectacular there. KDI is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next company is Great Panther Silver. Great Panther Silver had drill results out from their Guanajuato, Mexico 100% owned Ignacio project. They had 13 holes. Some of those holes, they had some good results in there. Things like 3.33 meters of 6.32 grams per ton gold, and 293 grams per ton silver. Had a 24-meter a 50-meter intersection of 7.27 grams per ton gold and 263 grams per ton silver. Another hole had 2.38 meters of 1.84 grams per ton gold, 158 grams per ton silver. So some good numbers in there. Pulling the stock chart up, it's up a penny today on 59,000 shares traded. It's trading at 75 cents. Looking at their stock chart, they've been going sideways for the last month and a half or so. This looks like a basing period. Going to do some more homework on this one. This one looks like one I could see talking about on our Friday Best of the Best and Weekly News show. GPR is their stock symbol. They trade on Toronto. Next company is Barkerville Gold. Barkerville Gold had results out from metallic screen fire assay results on 7 drill holes conducted on their Cow Mountain project. The holes were drilled in 2011, but this is the first time they've had a chance to do the metallic screening on them, and came back with the highlight hole, 57.4 feet of 3.057 ounces per ton gold. They go into quite detail about what they've been doing on that project relating to this metallic screen assaying. Interesting stuff there. You want to take a look at that press release. Just go into their stock. The stock's up 2.5 cents today to 44.5 cents. Traded 118,000 shares today. Stock's been under pressure since it got trading again back in October. Well, when it first came on, had a really good run up to $1. Been giving back a lot of those gains. It now looks like it might have found a bottom and something that they can rally from. So I'll be taking a closer look at BGM. BGM is their stock symbol for Barkerville Gold Mines, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. Next company is Turquoise Hill. Turquoise Hill Resources had an update on their oil Tolgoi project in Mongolia. They talked about their plan or their project financing and financial and production guidance for 2014. They're talking about producing a lot of copper and gold from their project there, and also spending a lot on capital expenditures to increase their production. This is pretty spectacular project. Stock's down 4.5 cents today to $3.34. Just looking at the stock chart, it's at a year low now. I'm going to go back, see if I can look at it. I think this is a multi-year low. Well, yeah, definitely a year low. And if it wasn't trading so much volume, I might get excited about where it is right now, but I'll have to do some more technical analysis on that before I make a decision if I'll talk about it on my Friday Best of the Best and Weekly News show. TRQ is their stock symbol. They trade on the Toronto Exchange. Next company is Wesdome Gold Mines. Their drilling has expanded the potential of a new zone at their Eagle River project. This is a 100% owned project. It's located 50 kilometers west of Wawa, so good access there. They had some good results, 1.5 meters of 11.87 grams per ton gold, 1.52 meters of 15.65 grams per ton gold. Very interesting results there. I've talked about this company before on past shows. They have hit some good results in the past as well. Stock's up 3 cents today to 61 cents. Just looking at their stock chart, it had a good move from the July lows, then gave back some of those gains. It's been going sideways for the past few months on very low volume, but starting to look like it could be getting into an interesting trading pattern there. This one we'll consider for the Friday show as well. WDO is their stock symbol, and they trade on Toronto. And the final companies today is Primero Mining. has announced that they're acquiring Brigus Gold. Brigus Gold was just a pick on our last best of the best and weekly news show. They had some very good drill results out from their one of their projects, and now the Primero, which is another pick of ours, is going to be taking them over. It looks like they've got the management's backing from both companies, as well as large shareholders. So now it'll come down to a shareholder vote. Interesting stuff today. The stock, Brigus, has taken off quite dramatically, up 23 cents today to 86 cents on 12.5 million shares traded. And it's hard to say where unless another offer comes along, it's pretty much factored in the price here. But certainly has been quite a spectacular performer there, just in a very short period of time. Brigus Gold, stock symbol is BRD, and they trade on the Toronto Exchange. So that's the news for today. As always, before making any investment decisions, it's important for you to do your homework and speak with your financial advisors. Tomorrow, George Cholis and I are going to be doing a special show. We're calling it we're looking for companies that we could see benefit from tax loss selling and a bounce earlier in the year to the upside. Join us tomorrow for that. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.